Get our hands very, very wet to protect us from any of this scientific experiment. What you know about fire, it takes three things: fuel, heat, and oxygen. And so we have a special fuel right here, these bubbles. And we're gonna have one demonstration. Where's Mr. Ramsey? Okay, who's going next? Here we go. Who's going first? That's probably a lot, Joe. I would maybe do half of that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Do not try this at home. Now, if you notice, they have their hands open. When they close it, it takes away the oxygen, and it takes it and puts it out. That's pretty amazing. Here we go. Go, Kayla. So brave, so brave. Where did we get her? The preschool. And finally, Mr. Ramsey is now in heaven. Round of applause for fire hands.